Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to paraphrase on ChatGPT. Now, you can use ChatGPT to effectively paraphrase text, making it sound different while keeping the original meaning. So these are the steps that you can follow to help paraphrase your text. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. I'll go over that again, chat.openai.com, and log into your ChatGPT account by clicking the login button at the top right corner of the website. Once logged in, go ahead and click on New Chat on the left sidebar to begin a new conversation. So once you click on that, you'll begin a new conversation. Now, in the chat input box, go ahead and type a prompt to ask ChatGPT to paraphrase a specific piece of text. Be sure to specify that you want it to paraphrase while maintaining the meaning. So for example, you can type something that looks like this. Can you paraphrase the following paragraphs while keeping the meaning intact? Right. Then you punch that in. ChatGPT asks you to provide the paragraphs. Now paste the text you would like to paraphrase after the prompt. Rice patty. Okay, so just watch me. Okay, so that's it. I'm curious, what makes you feel this way? Can you help me understand perspective on this? Why do you feel so strongly about this? Okay, so once you send the prompt, ChatGPT will rephrase the text and provide a paraphrase version in the next message, which has been shown here. Now review the paraphrase text to ensure it aligns with the intended meaning and tone. If paraphrase text isn't quite what you're looking for, or what you were looking for, you can ask your GPT to adjust it by providing more specific instructions. For example, can you make the paraphrase sound more formal, or can you simplify the wording in the paraphrase? Now, once you do that, ChatGPT will refine the response based on your instructions. Now, the quick brown fox, okay, for example, you can your original text could be the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, and ChatGPT could paraphrase it to be okay, so you say the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Then your request could be, can you paraphrase the sentence in a different way while keeping the same meaning? Something like that. Then you get a response. So by following the steps, you can easily paraphrase any text using ChatGPT, making it suitable for different purposes, such as rewarding essays, articles, and other written content. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.